Hello friends, are you involved in forex trading? If yes, try using this exclusive software designed by a talented Indian software engineer. This guy is Mr. Amit Kumar, the founder and CEO of iGen IT Solutions Private Limited. Guess what's not there in this trading software? Named iGen FX. This software is fully capable to take auto entry level with proper target and stop loss. Apart from this, it has some attractive features like quick 5 minutes installation, sport micro, mini and standard lot size, trade multiple currency pairs at once, built-in money management, support any MT4 broker, runs on demo and live accounts, and no experience required. This software has already created a hype amongst forex traders in India. Not only that, but iGen IT Solutions Private Limited has also received the recognition of a startup from the Government of India last year. With this upward trajectory, Kumar has now planned to expand this business in the USA and UK markets as well. So what's the delay for? Purchase this budget-friendly software today and give your forex trading strategy a new turn.